Hi everybody, it's Carole and I'm here in my art room tonight and I'm going to show you how to do a reverse dip step by step. So let's get started. All right, here we are. So I'm spreading out some white Amsterdam paint and Floetrol. Something in there. So it runs pretty good. It's fairly thin. I'll see if I can show you in a minute. All right. See where my paper towel is. I don't see it, so I have my little bag here. Okay. So it's just, it runs pretty thin. Hardly makes a mound, just a little mound that disappears. Okay, so what you do, so you've got that down. And this is the bottom of a pop bottle. You can use any size you want. I think this is, I don't know what size this one is, but so I've cut V's. This is where the paint runs down. And these are the V's I'm going to put in this part where there's no paint running down, so that I'm hoping the paint will run underneath. This is a 6x6, I think. It's a little canvas board. Okay, these are my paints that I'm using. They're Amsterdam paints, and I've mixed them 50-50 with Floetrol. This is permanent red violet. This one here is green blue. Amsterdam, and then I have gold by Rust-Oleum, soft gold, and then I have my pearl white metallic Rust-Oleum. They're all mixed with Floetrol. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. Show you my consistency. That makes a mound. I'll show you the blue. It disappears quickly. And this is the red violet. I'm going to add up, and if you think it's too thick, just add a little bit of water. All right. So I'm going to put some gold first. I think I might need some more water. I like to put a metallic on the outside, so you can either do the gold or the white. Put a bit more water in my blue. And you can alternate the metallics with the regular colors. I'm going to put some pearl white in. You don't need as much of the metallic. I'll use this red violet. A little more water in this one. I have a lot of these reverse dips on my channel. I haven't done them in a long time, so I might be a little rusty, but I still know the procedure. It's just getting the consistency right. Your paints flowing nicely. So I don't know if you know, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's Carole's Art Room. Please subscribe and hit the bell and you'll get notified when I do more videos. You won't miss one. Okay, so now the blue again. Put some more blue and then some more gold. I'll show you how, and when I take this off, I'll show you how to fill the middle in. Stick around to the end of the video. You'll see the dry results and some playlists that I will put up in the cards at the end of the video. There will be a playlist link. All right, this is I think I'll just put some more gold and then I'm done. You can also turn the bottle, like maybe around halfway. You could turn the bottle so that the paint drips right there, but I didn't do that this time.
If you want the rest of this to come down, you can roll on it. Just to get more down.
Okay, I think it's time to take this off. Well, I didn't get hardly, if I had a bigger one that I could spread out more, I would get more to go underneath, but this isn't that big, so so what you can do, can pull some in. You would get more in if this was closer. This just gives it a little more of a design. So I'm going to put some of this Rust-Oleum in the middle. And then a little bit there, there. Because this is just white paint underneath. So you want some of the metallic on top. I'll put some magenta. Oh, it's not magenta, it's red purple. A bit of gold. You can put it on top of the color or beside it. Okay, so I have a napkin. It's like a table napkin, and this is big enough for this one. Otherwise, you can use something bigger or a paper towel. I've dampened it a little bit with a spray bottle before I started. Just lay it on. Don't push too hard. I'm just tapping lightly just to make sure it's all down. Now let's see how big this is. It's good to be big because when you pull this up, you don't want to pull over the colors yet. Just to the edges. You want it to come up as round as you can. So you take these edges, pull it up. Try and grab it all together. again with all my cells. Holy moly. It must be the Floetrol. I'm gonna have to try something different, but I like it. Take your finger and put it in the middle and get a center. So at least I got, when I did my napkin, I got a good shape of the flower, which I'm happy about. I got a lot of lacing though. I mean, a lot of cells, which I wasn't. I just wanted some lacing, but I got lots of cells. Which, if you like cells, this is good. I'm just gonna make some designs. Well, I don't think I would call it a fail. I would just call it different. Because normally you wouldn't get this many cells if you use a different pouring medium. Which I think I will try my emulsion that I used to use before. So I will do that in the next video. But let me see if I can zoom you in. I was gonna torch it, but I don't think I don't see any air bubbles. I don't need to torch it. It's good on its own. Well, there you go. There's my reverse dip with lots of cells. So if you like lots of cells, go for it. I did one like this in an earlier video, and I tilted it, and it came out like a flip cup or a dirty pour. It was kind of cool. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna hold it a little bit closer. So there is another pouring medium you can use, which is my concrete bonding primer, which I'm gonna use next time. I've done this before. If you go back and look at some of my other videos, you'll see. Okay. So stay tuned for the dried results at the end. And some playlists. And yeah, stick around. Here we go. Here's the dried result. Well, it's 75% dry, I think. I think it's a little sticky still, especially the middle, but it's drying nicely. That's because the paint's thick on there. It's taking longer to dry. It was 2 days ago. I'm getting a shadow. Anyway, there you go. Look at that red. It's very brilliant. That gold. Oh, so pretty. Come back soon to Carole's art room. Bye-bye.